Hi, everyone. I'm Matt Pappas bringing you our first market snapshot of the new year. So let's break down what's driving the economy and the markets right now. Well, first, the December jobs report exceeded expectations. Unemployment dropped to 4.1%, and the unemployment to population ratio climbed, which is a solid sign for the labor market. Meanwhile, Q4 GDP estimates are coming in at around 2.7%. Which suggests economic growth may actually be picking up pace. Now, on the markets front, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Stocks are generally speaking in motion right now, with some of the large cap areas like technology, for example, are starting to put up some sell signals. But with the 10-year treasury rate hitting 4.6 to 4.7%, these are early signs that point to growth expectations increasing, not necessarily inflation. We're even seeing the yield curve steepen, which hints at the possibility of a soft landing as opposed to a hard landing that a lot of people were expecting. Crypto is also making some waves. You may not know this, but stablecoins, which are a crypto, some of which are backed by the US dollar, recently surpassed Visa in transaction volumes. That's a major milestone. When you combine that with the regulatory tailwinds from the new administration, crypto's evolution is a trend worth watching very, very closely. In other areas like housing, demand remains strong, even despite higher mortgage rates. And also in venture capital, for example, fund sizes are beginning to reset after some years of absolutely explosive growth. And this is creating some opportunities, we think, for smaller, more nimble managers to really shine in the next few years. But what does it all mean for 2025? Well, it's hard to imagine another year of 20+% growth in the stock market, especially after back-to-back years of really strong performance. Then also valuations in some of those sectors are really tough to justify. So staying nimble there is going to be key. And also think about rebalancing towards overlooked areas. Think smaller companies, for example, or international sectors. Another area that we're keenly focused on here at Cottonwood is the alternative investment arena, which includes things like private markets and private real estate, where we're seeing some really attractive opportunities. So even with the global challenges from a shifting geopolitical landscape to growing U.S. debt levels, history shows there's always a path forward. So let's stay cautiously optimistic. Let's be ready to adapt because the opportunities ahead are out there for us. Thanks for tuning in today. Have a great 2025.